This is the fresh picked Daisies die set from Spellbinders from the More Fresh Picked collection. I love die sets like this because, especially for beginners that may be intimidated by a card or a blank card front, these dies or these die cuts fill an entire card, and all that's really needed, but you don't even necessarily need to add it, is a simple sentiment. I use them with similar or with the same colors for the base to create some different cards, just to show how you can change up the look of this with just doing a little bit of ink blending. You could also take these die cuts and change the arrangement on them if you felt comfortable doing that. But by using these die sets and filling up the front of the card, just a simple sentiment completes it perfectly. And I love the fact that with die sets like this, you can also step them up just by doing a little bit of ink blending, either using specialty cardstocks for part of it or adding a little bit of texture or foam dots just to get some extra dimension there. There's so many different ways that these different die sets or these fresh picked die sets come into play, and I love how versatile they can be. Here I've used ones with all of the same colors of cardstock for the base, but you can absolutely change up the colors and change your look that way as well.